Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, you know that it's been a while since I've uploaded and I've been slacking, but I'm back to it. The only footage that I had ready for you guys was I went to like a little spa day. It was really nice, got like a little massage, and that was the only footage that I had. But I'm back with the vlogging. Yeah, it's almost December. I'm considering doing vlogmas, but not every day because my life is not that interesting every day, but maybe every twice a week, uploading twice a week or 3 times a week. We'll see. It depends on how exciting my December is. Today we're going to run a few errands. I'm gonna just take you guys along with me and I'm gonna explain. Also, before we go, I have a new Instagram, by the way. It's called Nafis Creations. It's gonna be like an extension of this channel. I have like 10 followers right now, so go check it out and follow me and even DM me if you want to. Okay, we're on the move now. What we have on the agenda today is that we're going to go pick up like canvases. My dad wants me to paint some stuff for him, so I have to go get canvases, and I found someone who makes them, so I ordered those yesterday. I'm going to go pick them up today. Fun fact, I can paint like generic paintings and stuff like that. I mainly do it like for my dad when he asks me to do it, but I don't paint at all anymore. But when he asks, I get it done, I do it, so it's fine. I'm going to go buy a few paint. I have a majority of it already, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of painting materials and stuff like that. What else do I have to do? I feel like I have to do a lot more than I'm saying, so you guys are gonna come along with me. Also, I want to bake a cake today. I bought like bananas and I'm only one person and there are just so many, so I'm gonna make a banana cake or banana bread or whatever I can do with those, because I have too many now and they're going bad really quickly because it's hot. So we're gonna bake a cake today. So that's what's on the agenda. Guys, it's so hot. I'm so sweaty right now. I am parked in a random area. So what had happened was I was supposed to go collect the canvas, right? But then it wasn't ready in time. So I went there around 10:30, but then now it's 1:30. They said it would be ready at 2. So I've just been spending my time around town. Managed to get some paint. Let me give you the plug on this. You should go to Rainbow Paints, like the actual Rainbow Paints, and you get like affordable prices for acrylic paint. While I'm waiting, because I still have time, it's not gonna be ready yet, I went to go buy pastries because I'm hungry. Not the healthiest thing, but gotta do what you gotta do. You may be wondering like, why didn't I just go home? I live a little bit further from town, and honestly with the gas and everything, I don't want to waste gas going home coming back, so it's fine. So I'm enjoying this like time just parked somewhere under a tree, eating my food and talking to you guys. Look at what we have. We have these huge canvases here. Look at this. This one is huge, guys. It's 100 by 70 centimeters, and this one is 50 by 70 centimeters. So they're both pretty big. My dad wanted like really big artworks, so this is what I have right now. I think I'm gonna show you guys the ideas that I want to do with them. I'm finally back home. I'm going to take a shower right now because I'm really sweaty and I can't just sit like this, so I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, I've taken my shower. Right now, guys, it's so hot here in Malawi. The thing is, it's going to start raining, so it's going to start raining soon, so it's like really humid. So plus the heat and humidity, it's really hot and I get really sweaty, so like there's no way I would have stayed like that without taking a shower. It's just too hot. Also, if there are any artists who are watching my videos, you guys have seen where I got the canvas and where I got the paint. So yeah, you guys are welcome. Okay, right now I'm just gonna rest a little bit and then we are going to bake something for dinner. And obviously guys, when the timer goes off, I take off this wig. It's just too hot to have this thing on, but yeah.